You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel.
Hi there, welcome to the video. Today we are going to do a quick run through and open boxing of the Pedaltrain Classic Junior. This is model number PT-CLJ for Classic Junior and SC for soft case. We had this one pre-installed with a Voodoo Labs Pedal Power 2 underneath. We already had it pre-mounted, which you could also do by yourself if you like, but the pedal power works awesome with Pedaltrain, so we just wanted to mention that. So we'll go ahead and quickly unbox this guy. There's really not much to see except it's a high quality pedal board, industry quality. So there we have the unboxed pedal board. One thing is there is no extra pouch on here, unlike you get on some of the bigger boards. This is the Classic Junior, so it's going to be 18 inches wide, 12.5 deep, and I think 3.5 tall on an angle that way. So there we have our pedal power box. We had it pre-mounted, so we have our power cable. It looks like these are your 9-volt adapters, connectors for your Voodoo Labs Pedal Power 2. And it also comes with a manual. Again, you can drill these yourself. For me, it was just easier to have than do it for the cost. There wasn't a whole lot of money. And Pedaltrain gives you a sling to go around the bag to connect to the loops so you can throw it over your shoulder, and they give you plenty of Velcro for your pedals and enough soft Velcro to line the board with. So let's pull out the board. We recently did a video on a Donner Chinese copy of these Pedaltrains. I'll have to say the welds weren't as good and the metal was much thinner, less quality. Alright, so here we have our pedal power already mounted underneath, and here's your 9-volt receptacles for your cables so that you can run them under the board. So we're going to take the non-hook side of the Velcro and go ahead and sticker this across so you get 4 rungs. So basically we're going to build a small acoustic pedal board, but what we really needed was this connector here for our TC-Helicon Voicelive acoustic play that we're going to be powering up. That's one of the reasons why we have this. So basically what we're going to do is build the board up, and I'll show you. We're going to go ahead and place our acoustic play here. We're going to put this is a Digitech 3 footswitch that's going to tie into the TC-Helicon. So we're going to go ahead and put those in there. And then we've got a few mini pedals that we're going to put on, such as a tuner to go with a volume pedal over here, mild overdrive here, and an envelope filter, and maybe a phaser here, and then into here. And the TC-Helicon gives us an EQ boost, just a clean channel boost here, a chorus I'll have it set for here, and a delay here, and a looper here, along with also all the vocal effects you get with this. So that's what our plan is for this little board, because we wanted something small for our acoustic shows. So for the money, I think we paid, I'm not really sure, $230 or $240 with the power pedal installed, but you can certainly buy the pedal board yourself for about street price $149, but you can certainly find it cheaper if you look. So there you go. This is our quick open boxing of the Pedal Power 2. Once we get it all set up and wired up, we're going to go ahead and do a demo on the TC-Helicon acoustic play and its capabilities. But first we wanted to get this board so we could set it all up. So again, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you see, please click like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.